Hey y'all! Love crispy, flavorful wings? Me too! These Louisiana Dry Rub air-fried wings are amazing! They're perfect for game day parties or a fun dinner. We'll use a simple dry rub and the magic of an air fryer. Get ready for crispy wings bursting with flavor. Let's get cooking! For these scrumptious wings, you'll need a handful of simple ingredients that pack a punch of flavor. Let's dive into what you'll need to make these wings unforgettable. First and foremost, chicken wings. I like to use a mix of drumsticks and flats for a variety of textures and flavors. Make sure they're fresh and ready to absorb all the delicious spices. Next, we have paprika. This vibrant spice adds a beautiful red color and a touch of smoky sweetness that enhances the overall taste of the wings. Garlic powder is essential for providing a savory base. It infuses the wings with a rich, aromatic flavor that is simply irresistible. Onion powder adds a hint of sweetness and depth, balancing out the other spices perfectly. It's a subtle yet crucial ingredient. For those who love a bit of heat, cayenne pepper is your go-to. It brings the heat and can be adjusted to your liking, whether you prefer a mild kick or a fiery punch. Don't forget the basics, salt and black pepper. These two enhance all the other flavors, making sure every bite is perfectly seasoned. See? Simple ingredients, big flavor. With these spices, your wings will be the star of any gathering. Let's get cooking. First things first, pat your chicken wings dry with paper towels. This step is crucial because it removes excess moisture from the surface of the wings. Moisture can prevent the seasoning from sticking properly and can also hinder the crisping process. So, take your time and make sure each wing is thoroughly dried. This helps the rub stick and ensures crispy skin. A dry surface allows the spices to adhere better, creating a flavorful crust that locks in the juices. Plus, it helps achieve that perfect crunch we all love in chicken wings. In a bowl, mix together all the spices: paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Each spice brings its own unique flavor to the mix. Paprika adds a smoky sweetness, garlic and onion powder provide a savory depth, cayenne pepper gives a kick of heat, and salt and black pepper round everything out. This is our Louisiana Dry Rub. It's a blend that packs a punch and brings a taste of the South to your wings. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to your liking. Sprinkle the rub generously all over the chicken wings, making sure to coat them evenly. The goal is to cover every nook and cranny with the spice mix. This ensures that every bite is bursting with flavor. Don't be shy with the seasoning, the more the better. This is where the magic happens, transforming plain chicken wings into a mouth-watering treat. Now, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. Preheating is important because it ensures that the wings start cooking immediately, which helps in achieving that crispy exterior. Place the seasoned wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer, ensuring they aren't overcrowded. Overcrowding can lead to uneven cooking and soggy wings. Give them space to breathe and crisp up nicely. Air fry for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping them halfway through until they're golden brown and cooked through. Almost there, y'all. The flipping ensures even cooking on both sides, giving you perfectly crispy wings. Once done, let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious homemade air-fried chicken wings. Section 4, Flavor Play. Dips, sauces, and extra zing. This is where the magic happens, where you can truly elevate your wing game to the next level. While the wings are air frying, think about your favorite dipping sauces. This is the perfect time to get creative and think outside the box. Ranch, blue cheese, honey mustard, they all go great with these wings. Want extra flavor? Consider mixing a few sauces together to create a unique blend that will surprise and delight your taste buds. After air frying, toss the wings in your favorite sauce. This is where you can really make them your own. Whether you prefer something spicy, sweet, or tangy, the choice is yours. Buffalo sauce, barbecue sauce, get creative. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavors and combinations. You might just discover a new favorite. You can also sprinkle extra seasoning on the wings after they're cooked. This adds an extra layer of flavor that can really make a difference. A little extra cayenne pepper never hurt nobody. If you like it hot, don't be shy with the spices. Get ready to dig in. With all these delicious options, your wings are sure to be a hit. Enjoy the feast in the company of those around you. Section 5. Crispy, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. Once the wings are golden brown and cooked through, take them out of the air fryer and let them cool for a few minutes. These wings are crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and bursting with Louisiana flavor. They're finger-licking good. Serve them up with your favorite dips and sides. These wings are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy! Happy cooking, y'all!